Hello, my name is Devin Smith with Solve.cloud, a consultancy working to automate businesses with Salesforce and AI, all leading towards your success. So I'm going to answer the question, can Agentforce be integrated with existing workflows and automations? So I'm just going to quickly pull up a demo org and kind of show you how that's possible. They actually make it super easy to do so that, you can utilize things you've already implemented within your business and existing workflows that you have. So I'm going to show you kind of the basics and then talk about a few other things after. But this is just a demo org provided by Salesforce. So it's pretty bare bones, but it will show you hopefully where Agentforce can take you. So I'm just going to open up this kind of default agent called Einstein Copilot, and then I'm going to open it up in the builder. This is where you're going to do a lot of your building when it comes to Agentforce and the agents that you set up. In there, when you actually have Agentforce in your org, they're going to have different agents by default. Like for instance, the SDR agent that will be able to hook into a lot of your existing like sales workflows or whatnot, and the processes you already have set up, and then you can also build your own agents on top of your existing workflows. So they make it really easy that way. But in terms of building agents, they have topics, they have actions, and then they have data libraries as well as some other settings here. But when it comes to topics, this is kind of how you're going to build different actions within your agent so that your agent actually knows which actions to take. For instance, if we open up this default migration topic, you can see they've put in a bunch of instructions. This is how the agent will interact with the user and some guidelines on what it should or should not do. And then, you give some example user inputs, and then it has specific actions that it can perform based on that topic. So you can build your own topics. And then again, it'll list the agent's actions here that it can perform. You can see there's a bunch of things. You can identify records, summarize records, query records, but to create a new one, you'd actually come in here. So the cool thing here, the actions they have, you can actually trigger Apex, Flow, or other prompt templates. So it's actually pretty powerful. If you've been on the Salesforce platform for a while, you probably have a ton of flows that you could hook into, potentially some complex Apex triggers and actions and classes that you could utilize already within your agents. So you can have your users, Salesforce, interacting with these agents and actually triggering things almost as if they were in actually Salesforce. And say you had a flow that was triggered off a specific action on a record, your users can now just interact with your agent and kind of tell it what they want to happen. And then the agent will be able to kind of take that action for them and execute a flow or do these other things that you already have that are existing with your existing automation and workflows. Not only that, but if you already have data libraries set up, obviously with Data Cloud, you can kind of combine a lot of your outside external data sources, but here you can also hook into your existing, knowledge articles and libraries. If you already have kind of a workflow for knowledge set up, you can create agents and have agents tap into those things, either for customer facing agents or for your own, internal users to be able to access knowledge articles and get help directly from the agent. So Agentforce is pretty powerful and is shaping up to be a really cool and versatile tool that you can kind of build onto and build into whatever you need it to be. So that's kind of a little look at how Agentforce can be integrated with existing workflows and automations. It's only going to continue to get better and better as Salesforce continues to release for future out-of-the-box functionality, as well as people continue to build on top of the Agentforce platform. We'll be able to even see more and more ways that we can integrate with our existing workflows and automations. So thanks for listening. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'd love to help out. Thanks.